Hey everyone. So, one of the things that I was most excited to launch for my All Access members is the new blog and social media downloads, which is a way for me to share individual and smaller asset packs in a more immediate way with my members. And basically, just give you more resources to work with and make sure that you have all of the tools that I'm using in my tutorials and that you never have to wait for anything. So, before, when I first launched them, I had them in different locations, but now I've consolidated them into one page, so it's really easy to access your blog and social media downloads. And the blog and social media downloads are all on a page like this, and you can always go back, and they're organized by date. And then you've got a link and a description, and it'll just make you really easy to find exactly what you're looking for. And it's a way for me to share smaller tool packs as well as let the All Access members have early access to products that are not even launched yet. And for example, if you go on the blog here and you click this, here's a blog post where I created a solid color palette inspired by Dior Couture. And I might not make this into a product, but this way design members can download this and I can share it right away. So if you click this link, it's going to take you to this page here that you just saw. And then you just check what date it was, and you can find Dior inspired brush palettes and download that, or actually that's the earthy solid colors, and click download, and it's really easy. And the same thing, for example, if you're on YouTube and I did a tutorial, which in this case, it was a template makeover, and I'll have a link down below that says All Access members. You can download the brushes that I used in this tutorial here, and it will take you here to this page, and you can get the tutorial tools for the fall feelings. So it just makes it really easy to find your stuff, and it's all together now. And if you don't want to click the link or something, you can always access this via your member dashboard. So if you need to access this in any time and you don't have a link, or you're not looking at a link right now, you can go to dailydesignables.com, go here, log in, and go down and click member dashboard. And then on your member dashboard, you're going to have a link that says blog and social media downloads. And you click on that, and it's going to open up that page of blog and social media downloads. And so that way you can access it. And I'm really proud of this because now everything is in one place and it's very easy for you to access them. And if you ever click a link here, like for example here, and you're not logged in, it's going to prompt you to log in, and then it'll take you directly to this page.